So, techies, this is Computer Lab 4.1.2. We're going to find BIOS UEFI settings, and you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. The employee in Office 1 has mentioned several times that their computer seems to be slow. You have decided to explore the possibility of upgrading the computer by determining its current status. So in this lab, your task is to assess the computer's BIOS UEFI settings. Do this by restarting the computer, then pressing F2 or Del before the OS loads. Answer questions that follows. All right, so this is pretty much straightforward. So I guess we just start up right away. So the first task is to access the computer's BIOS settings. So let's see the questions. What is the BIOS version number? How many memories installed? Who is the manufacturer? What is the status? So all of this information can be gotten from the BIOS. And the only way we can get to the BIOS is by restarting the PC. So we go into the PC and we press, could be F9, F2, depending on, or escape button, depending on the kind of PC that you're working with. So, all right, so for this, if given an instruction, Control Alternative Delete is going to take us straight into the BIOS of this particular PC. Control Alternative Delete, Control Alt Delete. All right, so let's look at the system information and answer the questions accordingly. So what is the BIOS version number? So the BIOS version number is 1610. So we select 1610 here. How many memory is installed in the computer? And let's see, this is in excess of 16 gigabytes. All right, so let's go ahead and select 16384. Okay, so who is the manufacturer of the installed processor? Here is Intel. And the last question, let's see. Okay, the next question, how many hard drives are installed? Let's close to that section. We have SATA 1, SATA 2, SATA 3, and all of those has hard drive installed in them. Okay, so what is the status of the integrated NIC? Okay, so for this particular one, we need to go over to the system configuration and click on integrated NIC. So currently it is enabled. So we'll go ahead and check enable. The next question, what is the current status of the USB 3.0 controller? So we'll go over to the USB configuration. Let's click on USB configuration. Boot support is enabled and enable 3.0 controller also. So go ahead and scroll up and see how we'll do. Alright, so let's go ahead and score lab. And for this lab, it's 100% score. Remember, if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, hit me up in the comment section. And of course, you can use my WhatsApp number to reach out to me if you have a question you want to ask me there also. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good luck.